We are all excited to see our state reopening, but many people continue to experience stress, anxiety and mental ill health. And I encourage anyone who needs support to reach out. These extra local mental health and wellbeing services are there to help with whatever you are going through. And I'd especially, again, like to take this opportunity to thank our community mental health partners, organisations like CoHealth, who have worked so hard with us to respond so closely. We're continually looking at what more we can do to support the mental health and wellbeing of Victorians. To access local mental health support near you, call 1300 375 330 or head to partnersinwellbeing.org.au. Finally, from low acuity services to supporting Victorians who need really highly specialised, intensive mental health treatment, I'm also pleased to announce a further $5.68 million for some of our dedicated specialist statewide services. This will boost capacity to support some of Victoria's most vulnerable members of our community and will mean more world-class clinical consultation and advice for our whole mental health workforce across this state, meaning better mental health care for everyone. So support will be going to organisations like the Centre for Excellence in Eating Disorders, because we know we've seen presentations at EDs in regards to eating disorders increase significantly in recent years. The Brain Disorders Unit and Alfred's Psychiatric Intensive Care Unit, highly specialised services catering to Victorians and their carers who have experienced trauma like an acquired brain injury alongside mental illness. Other services, the Koori Statewide Inpatient Service, Victorian Transcultural Mental Health and the Dual Disability Services at Alfred, amongst others. While all of these specialised services are based in Melbourne, connected to our large tertiary hospitals, we want to make sure that this increase in support, this increase in capacity is delivered statewide, and there's $545,000 to those organisations to deliver just that. So 3 significant announcements for mental health. The pop-up clinics for vaccinations at our Headspace centres. We are open and running at our 20 community pop-up mental health services, and this $5.68 million additional funding on top of the $247 million we've already provided for direct COVID-related mental health support. So to talk about CoHealth, can I invite Nicole Bartholomeusz, who's the CEO of CoHealth, both in terms of their support and their experience with the first days and weeks of the pop-up service, but also the extraordinary work of CoHealth during the pandemic supporting people who are COVID positive.